I need some more slaves. I need to find the famous black woman, Fully Hay. Hey, Fully Hay, bring me some more slaves.
Yes, sir. I done just what I got. Right in the Pacific Island where there's heaps of people to capture. Let's get to invade Samoa first.
Atlases at schools, taught in books and culture that Niuean is the Savage Island, named by this fellow Captain Cook. He named Tonga the Friendly Islands, Samoa the Navigator Islands, and he called us the Savage Islands.
The name Savage Island pretty much stuck until the late 1800s. Colonial wrote to Queen Victoria asking for protection from black murders, who were mostly from the Empire. This led to Niuean's annexation by New Zealand in 1901. Independence, self-government, or remain in New Zealand territory. Even though Niuean had initially asked for protection from the Empire, not everyone was keen to maintain this connection.
I like full independence. Manapura hiau ke puri whakamotu, ai puri whakamotu Niuean, total independence.
Moved to New Zealand. This promised land of milk and honey, so many Niueans joined the wave of Pacific Islanders wanting a life in Aotearoa.
Dad came first to work, and he promised Mum back in the islands that
when we had over 3,000 people, the island was actually very alive and vigorous, full of life, and then people slowly started moving to New Zealand. The population was decreasing to a stage where it may not be viable for us to exist.
Go if you look at it as in terms of the state of the country, it's not doing very well. It's actually, poorly. But to me, I don't see any of that. To me, it's just home, and we're still here. And as long as we're still here, you can always come back. If you're not dead, you can always come back.